The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch, effective until 5:01 a.m., October 1, 2025 Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: Dallas TX, Palo Pinto TX, Cottle TX. Remember, a tornado watch means when conditions are favorable for the development of tornadoes in and close to the watch area. It doesn't mean that tornadoes are imminent, including large hail, damaging winds, severe weather in close to the watch area. Residents should stay alert. Stay tuned for weather updates.
Have you seen...
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Dallas TX, Palo Pinto TX, Cottle TX. Effective until further notice. This severe thunderstorm might form a tornado soon. Now it's the time to seek shelter and get necessary items: food, clean drinkable water, a portable radio, cell phone, and other important stuff or items you want to bring. National Weather Service says this severe thunderstorm will have their winds 246 to 279 miles per hour. And hazards like hail and lightning will be stronger too: colder hail, stronger lightning damage, and louder lightning sounds. Take cover now.
Act me like that.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Dallas TX, Palo Pinto TX, Cottle TX. Effective until further notice. National Weather Service says a severe thunderstorm was capable in forming a tornado. This tornado will move 124 to 146 miles per hour. Now it is the time to seek shelter on the lowest floor on a sturdy building. Take cover now. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Dallas TX, Palo Pinto TX, Cottle TX. Effective until further notice. National Weather Service says a severe thunderstorm was capable in forming a tornado. This tornado will move 140 to 167 miles per hour. This tornado is already in F3 already. That was weird. The F3 tornado wind speed is around 136 to 165 miles per hour. Is this tornado crazy? The tornado is already an F4 if their airspeed is 167 miles per hour. Now it's time to take shelter on the lowest floor on a sturdy building. Take cover now.
Hello audience. Paul here. There's a tornado outbreak, so we will see which place is gonna have a tornado. Here it is. Well crap, that's way too big. We are definitely screwed. That's way too much for Texas.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties, almost all the state of Texas. Effective until further notice. This tornado is absolutely an F4 already. This tornado is already 169 to 198 miles per hour. This tornado is really going fast. Is this tornado gonna break the world record of the biggest and strongest tornado? We will find out. Okay. A significant and potentially life-threatening F4 tornado has been confirmed in the area. Residents are urged to seek shelter immediately in a sturdy building, preferably in a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor, away from windows. This tornado is capable of producing widespread destruction, including damage to homes, buildings, and vehicles. Flying debris can be deadly, so it is crucial to take cover now and stay away from windows. If you are outdoors, seek shelter in a sturdy building immediately. Do not attempt to outrun a tornado in a vehicle. Monitor local news and weather updates for further information and instructions. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your local news outlets for the latest updates on this dangerous situation. Take this warning seriously, and prioritize your safety and the safety of your loved one. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties, state of Texas. This is a critical update as 2 tornadoes have been reported in the area, including that F4 tornado. Additionally, a secondary tornado has formed. There is a pile of fire placed somewhere, and there is a significant risk of it transforming into a fire whirl. Residents are facing an unprecedented and extremely dangerous situation. In addition to seeking shelter immediately from the tornadoes, individuals must also be vigilant about the potential for fire whirls. Fire whirls, also known as fire tornadoes, are extremely rare and pose an extreme threat to life and property. All residents in the affected areas are urged to take immediate shelter in the most secure location available, preferably a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor, away from windows and exterior walls. If you are unable to find suitable shelter, lie flat in a low-lying area and cover your head to protect against flying debris. Please remain alert and stay tuned to local news and weather updates for the latest information on these rapidly evolving and hazardous weather conditions. Follow all instructions from local authorities and take every precaution to ensure your safety and the safety of your loved one. The National Weather Service has issued an administrative message to provide crucial guidance following the recent tornadoes in Texas. As the tornadoes have dissipated, residents returning to affected areas must exercise extreme caution due to potential hazards such as downed power lines, debris, and structural damage. Please document any damage, contact local authorities and insurance providers for assistance, and prioritize safety during cleanup efforts. Stay informed through official channels for updates on the situation. Normal programming will resume now.